Have you ever tried to draw something on a map, only to find yourself stuck and frustrated? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to draw a circle using the Android MapBox SDK. I totally get it. Drawing shapes on maps can be tricky, especially when you're trying to get the coordinates and radius just right. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I draw a circle with coordinates and radius in meters using the Android MapBox SDK 5.1.0 snapshot? If you've been wondering the same thing, stick around as we explore the solution. So what's the issue here? The MapBox SDK allows for various shapes, but drawing a circle can be a bit more complex than it seems. Understanding how to convert your radius from meters to the appropriate coordinates is key. And don't go anywhere. I have a handy tip at the end that will make your mapping experience even smoother. To draw a circle on the MapBox map, the user should first create a new instance of the Circle Options class. This class allows the user to define the circle's properties, such as its center and radius. Next, the user needs to add the circle to the map. This can be done by calling the Add Circle method on the MapBox map instance, passing in the circle options created in the previous step. After adding the circle, the user can customize its appearance. This includes setting the fill color, stroke color, and stroke width. These properties can be adjusted using the circle options methods. Finally, the user should ensure that the map is updated to reflect the new circle. This can be done by calling the invalidate method on the map view to refresh the display. Fun fact, did you know that the first maps were drawn on pieces of clay? Now we can create dynamic maps right from our devices. Technology sure has come a long way. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to drawing a circle in the Android MapBox SDK is to use a circle layer. This method is straightforward if you don't need precise size measurements. You can create a circle layer by adding a GeoJSON source and defining the circle's properties like radius, opacity, and color. For a more accurate representation, you can draw a circular perimeter around your point. This involves calculating positions based on a specified radius and the number of sides for the polygon. The algorithm uses trigonometric functions to determine the coordinates. Finally, remember to update the GeoJSON source with the new perimeter feature to visualize it on the map. This method provides a fun way to represent circles accurately. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach, shared by another user, involves creating a perimeter using a method that generates a polygon based on a center point and a specified radius. This method calculates the positions of the polygon's vertices using trigonometric functions. To add the generated polygon to the map, the user suggests using the map's asynchronous callback to ensure the map is ready before adding the polygon. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative approach, suggested by another user, is to add a circle layer to your activity. This method utilizes the Runtime Styling API, which allows for more dynamic styling options. Here's the handy tip I promised. Always test your circle on different devices to ensure it displays correctly. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to draw circles on your map with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle drawing polygons.